We're here to put the Kwestify credit controversy at rest. Now, for people who don't like to watch whole entire videos, or people who don't like to read the fine print or find the little tiny numbers out there, I'm going to show you exactly how credits work and why even a little bit of credits on Kwestify is not going to be an issue for you. So if you scroll down here to the bottom, you see the different plans that they have. They got humongous plans, but you see the plans that they have, $12, $19, $29, and it has 500 credits a month, 1,000 credits a month. Now, this is not going to be an issue for the newest, easiest to use keyword research tool, because for each one of these credits, unless you're using the Niche Digger, each one of these credits is going to be 10 keywords. So if you do 500 times 10, that means you're going to get 5,000 keywords a month. So that is, it's going to work well. Now, this is going to work for all of the different tasks that they have. So right here, you can get 10,000, 20,000 keywords a month, depending on how much you use, how much content you create. But this is even going to be a lot of keywords per month just for 12 bucks. Pretty good. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the back-end review, and I'll show you my bonuses so that you can go ahead and pick this up, because there is no longer a Kwestify keyword controversy, because you know that every single number you see here is times by 10. But the number one thing about this is that it is a simple, intuitive keyword research tool that also links directly to AI WiseMind. Now, if you guys have seen my previous review on AI WiseMind, I'll have that link up above. But if you've seen my previous review on AI WiseMind, it literally allows you to make entire websites like in 2 minutes. You're able to set campaigns to run automatically, and it does reviews for Amazon. It does product reviews for any platform that's out there. All you need is the name and the link of the product. It also does informational posts, comparison posts, all that kind of stuff. And the great thing about Kwestify is that you're able to find low competition keywords, and then you literally just click a button and it goes over to AI WiseMind, starts a campaign, and it creates content from all of the low competition keywords that you have selected so that you can promote whatever product you're trying to promote, or you're trying to get traffic to your website. This is super powerful, but it is a definite no-brainer. And right now they actually have some really good pricing on being able to get Kwestify and having different options. So it shows you all the stuff that I told you right here. People also search for, people also ask, the top 100 keywords, keyword competition, niche research. This one is super powerful to be able to find low competition niches, but it's simple and intuitive. Now, if you decide to pick up this offer through me and get Kwestify, if you get any of the recurring plans, I am going to be giving you my newest course, which is the Beyond AMZ Influencer, which is going for $199 right now, which shows 20 different ways to monetize each piece of content that you create for UGC content. So like user-generated content, review videos. It shows you how to make money just past Amazon. So you don't need to just have Amazon. You're able to make money many different ways. Plus, my new training that is getting ready to go live, you're also going to get that, which is the backdoor option to be able to get approved for TikTok Shop Affiliate, which is currently on fire. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a custom MyGPT to create video descriptions for your TikTok videos just by putting the product name. Now, this ties in really well with Kwestify and AI WiseMind. So not only are you able to find low competition niches for products that are out there that you can promote, but as soon as you find that, you're able to do instant reviews on Amazon of whatever product you choose, and you're able to use my training to be able to make long-term income on that one video and post that you do with AI WiseMind. So being able to get Kwestify to be able to find all of the low competition niches on things you should promote, and then being able to instantly promote it on AI WiseMind, and knowing how to make lots and lots of money from all the different avenues you can use your video for. They go hand in hand. Plus, I'm going to also have a behind the scenes training of Kwestify to show you how to be able to use these in my way while using it with AI WiseMind. different options, and you can start as little as 500. You can go all the way up to 1,000. And remember, for the Niche Digger, this one here is 3 credits for 10. Everything else is 1 credit for 10. Create, and then we can come here and we can actually click on AI WiseMind, and it will automatically create articles on these specific niches. So remember, if you feel like this is something that you want to go ahead and jump into, if this seems like something that can solve a problem for you and bring you a good solution, click the link below, take advantage of it so that you can go ahead and claim my bonuses. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and being able to take advantage of this for your toolkit. Thank you so much for watching. Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker.